The problem name is minimum rounds to complete all tasks. The question is, you are given a zero indexed integer array task where task of I represents the difficulty level of a task. In each round, you can complete either 2 or 3 tasks. Means in any round you can complete two two tasks or 3 tasks with same difficulty level. Like there are 5 tasks with a difficulty level 4. So in one round we can complete 3 tasks together or or 2 tasks together. We can't complete one single task or more than 2 or 3. So return minimum rounds required to complete all the tasks. If it is not possible to complete all the tasks, return -1. So it is very simple, easy question. What we have to do? We have to return minimum number of rounds to complete all the tasks, and this is the difficulty level of every task. So the condition is we can complete 2 or 3 tasks of same level, which are at same level. So first what we will do, we will store the frequency of every element. Like here we'll say we will take an ordered map and we will store the frequency of every element. Here 2 is 3 times, 3 is 2 times, and 4 is 5 times. So any number, the idea is we will take if any number is divisible by 3, we will say if any number is divisible by 3, we will say take this number divided by 3 arrow divided the round will be this number divided by 3. So like if 6 is divisible by 3, yes, so we will say because maximum we want minimum rounds. So maximum task we can complete is 3. So we will try to take 3 the pair of 3 tasks. If so we will say if the frequency of any number is divisible by 3, we will say take it in the pair of 3. So the we will store the answer in we store the answer is 6 divided by 3, because 2 pairs we can make from 6. Okay, now if the the frequency is not divisible by 3, like 2 is not divisible by 3. So or we can, if any number is not divisible by 3, we can get 1 or we can get 2. So one single task we can't complete. So what we will say take 3 from, like we have let's say we have 10. We have 10. So we have 3 pairs of 3, and one is 1, and one is 1. Okay, so we can't complete a single task. We can't complete any single task. So what we'll say take a 3 from here and get it to here. So now the pair of 3 is 2, and this become now 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, and we will break this 4 in 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. So what we will say there is 2 pair of 3. So the answer is, from here the answer is 2, and there is 2 pair of 2. So from here the answer is 2. So to simplify, what we can do, we can simply divide it by 3. Divided by 3, it is coming 3, and we can add 1. So this also is coming 4. This also is coming 4, and this also is adding up to 4, which is very simple. Like we are reducing 1 3 from here and giving it to here, and we are we are breaking it into two pair of 2. Okay, so it will obviously this will give 2. This from here we are taking 1 3, and here we are breaking it into 2. So in simple words, what we can say divided by 3, and with the number is coming, add 1 in this, add 1 in this, and add this in answer. And if so there are two cases. If any number is divisible by 3, take whole the number, take whole the frequency. Okay, like divided by 3 and take the frequency. Okay, make the pair of 3 and take the rounds in answer. And second case, if it is not divisible by 3, so if it is not divisible by 3, we can get 1 in the remainder or 2 in the remainder. If we are getting 2, so we can add 1 in our answer, like we can complete 2 in one round. Okay, and if we are getting 1, so I have explained this. So this is a very easy question. What we will do, simply we will store the frequency of every element. If the number is divisible by 3, we will take it as it is. We will say make the pair of 3, like here are 2 3 2, like here are 2 is 3 times, so we will make a pair of these 3 2's, and we will complete these 3 tasks in one round. And if it is not divisible by 3, we will say divided by 3, and we have to add 1 extra. We have to add extra 1 for this 2 or for this 1. So the solution is there. I have taken an ordered map, and I have stored the frequency of every element. Now the answer is I have taken an output, a variable output, in which I will store the answer. Now I am running a for loop in this map, for loop in this map. Okay, so if any element having frequency 1, then we can't do anything. We can't do anything, because if any elements having 10, like anyone says 10 or 4, like remainder is 1. If remainder is 1, then we can break, then we can take 1 3 from here. Like remainder is 1, we can take 1 3 from here and add it into 1. We can make two pair of 2. We can make two pair of 2. But if some element is having frequency is 1, if some element is having its frequency is already 1, then we can't do anything. We can't break it into 2. So we will say return -1. If its frequency is divisible by 3, we'll say add it as it is. We will say make the pair of 3's. And if it is not divisible by 3, we have to add 1, as I have explained. So we will just add these rounds in our answer, and at last we will return the answer. You can submit. Our code is running.